I want to make changes to this picture as a whole. Now luckily everything is all included on one layer because we copied canvas in a previous video. So now I'm going to come to the adjustments. That is this icon here. If I tap on it, let's take a look at the first one. Hue, saturation and brightness. You get 3 sliders at the bottom. Let's start with the middle one, the saturation. I could increase the saturation and make this pretty loud, or I could reduce the saturation a little bit. Maybe I'll do that. The midpoint is 50%, I'm on 39%. Now what about my hue? This will shift all the colors around the rainbow. So getting more of a magenta cast, getting more of a yellowy cast, and you can choose any hue you want. Maybe I'll shift that just a little bit towards the yellows, even less than that, even 2%, and I'm getting a change. Now the brightness slider, in general, I wouldn't use this because it makes some very bold changes. I'll show you another way to do this on another video, so I'll take that back to 50%. Then I can either tap with my finger and click on apply or cancel, or to commit, I can just come up to my layers panel. That commits everything. Let's do before and after. 2-finger tap to undo, so that's before. 3-finger tap to redo, that is after.